Hello, I am Vivek Zade and now I am going to discuss about why carburetor is not used in diesel engine. So let's continue with our topic of discussion. First we want to know about what is an auto ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature at which ignition take place without an external source of ignition such as flame or spark. And the for auto ignition temperature for petrol is 280 degrees Celsius and for diesel is 210 degrees Celsius. Therefore, for burning of diesel require less temperature than the petrol. The function of the carburetor is the carburetor prepares a mixture of air and fuel for a spark ignition engine. Carburetor is also used to control the speed of the vehicle by controlling the air and fuel mixture. It converts petrol into fine droplets and mixes it in air in such a way that it burns smoothly in engine without any problem. Due to the auto ignition temperature of the petrol, therefore in petrol engine we use spark plug and in a diesel engine we use fuel injector. And in diesel engine there is a in a by intake valve we use mm, air high compressed air. Now see the difference between the CI and SI engine. In a SI engine, that is petrol engine, we use spark plug. The auto ignition due to the auto ignition temperature. The auto ignition temperature of the petrol is 280 degrees Celsius. Therefore we use the spark plug, and for burning of the fuel there is need of a mixture of air which provide the oxygen and a fuel, and it is done by the carburetor. The carburetor is mix air and fuel, and it provide to the through the intake valve to the combustion chamber. Now see the diesel engine. In diesel engine we use the fuel injector. In the fuel, the ignition temperature of the diesel is 210 degrees Celsius. Therefore there is no need to give spark to diesel engine. Therefore there is a use of fuel injector, and we provide the air, high compressed air to the combustion chamber, and the high compressed air temperature is very high, that is 500 to 600 degrees Celsius. Therefore due to this high temperature air, compressed air, there is a combustion of the fuel, that is diesel, and that is the case in diesel engine. And due to therefore there is no need to mix air and fuel in diesel engine. Therefore there is no need to use carburetor. And now see second reason. The second reason is, first of all we see the preparation of air fuel mixture in carburetor. For preparation in air fuel mixture in carburetor there is three steps: the mixing, evaporation and atomization. So this is the tips we use in carburetor for mixture of air and fuel. So now see, the purpose of carburetor is to atomize the fuel and allow it to mix with air properly, since diesel has very low volatility. Even after passing through the venturi, diesel will not give a atomized to the required extent, leading extent leading to not or very poor mixing with air and poor combustion as a result. Therefore due to uh, therefore there is no need to use carburetor, because atom the vaporization of the diesel is very low, and the vaporization of the petrol is very high. Therefore we not use the carburetor in case of diesel engine. So vaporization is a step used to mix air and fuel. Therefore, if the vaporization is less, then the mixture of air and fuel is not possible, and due to this, the of the combustion of the fuel is not take place. Therefore, we don't use the air and therefore we don't use the carburetor for mixture of air and fuel in case of the diesel engine, and we use the high compressed air through the intake valve in the combustion chamber of the diesel engine, and the fuel injector is provided in the diesel engine. Thank you.